Hello, welcome to one of the Plum BI tools developed by PlumSoft Solutions Hyderabad. Basically, this is meant for companies where they already have some data existing in some legacy systems, but they wish to do some analytical analysis of the data in a much simpler way. And this is also can be extended to external as well as internal usage. As this is basically a web based application, this can be accessed by different users at different levels. So let us just try to see how this works. Just to start with, let me just take an Excel sheet which has which is having some 5 grouping fields such as the project type, country in which it is done, and the SBU which did this, and the branch, and the document date. Then we have the gross value, the discount that is given in that, and the net value. So you will notice it's a very simple, absolutely plain and vanilla Excel sheet, which is basically a CSV file in my desktop. You can see this is the CSV file, and we have the data embedded inside that, and that's all we need. Now let us upload this file and see how it would behave in the report writer. So we have the basic reporting URL which can be configured to any set 8. So let me create a new object. I call it pdemo 007, and it's asking me the Excel the number of string fields or the grouping fields. As you have noticed, there are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 grouping fields, and the only rule of the Excel is in the first you should have the grouping fields and then the value fields. That's the only rule. So I have 6 grouping fields, and I am choosing the file to be uploaded. So that is the sample data which is downloaded for testing purpose. I'm just uploading. Now you can observe basically the speed at which the reports would be generated. From the time I click upload, yes, I did click the upload, and you will see by the time I completed the sentence, the entire reports are ready. Now let us see what are all ready. This many reports are ready. That means we have project wise, project type, country, and it is plum demo 007. Let us see project wise the charts. We have the project wise gross value, and you will see all the gross values project wise. Then we have the same thing, discount and the net value. Similarly, you can also see country wise discounts, maybe branch wise discounts, or document SBU wise the net value. These are all absolutely ready as the charts. And the same thing, I want to see project wise, you can just see gross value. Okay, now you are able to see the gross value and the discounts given. The same thing, we are taking discount. That means you will see discounts and net value. Third is a combination of net value and gross value. So based on the data elements which are there in the application, that means here we have 3. So it has made one set of this, and the second set of these values, and the third set of this as well as this. See, this is how it has basically handled the entire scenario. You can just see all the possible combinations are covered, and also each area wise. Now the same reports are generated on the spot, and right now you will notice I am actually in a public site. I am giving the demo from using my dongle. Reliance dongle, and this is the speed you are getting. Now let's go further. So here you got all the pie chart, histograms, all the pie charts. Now you have gross wise. That means you have taken the gross value analysis. You have project wise. If you remember, we have uploaded about 6 types of data objects into this. So you have all the 6. You can see gross value, project wise, project type wise, SBU wise, document date wise, branch wise, whatever it is. And the same, I am just taking the discounts in various combinations. You can just see the same net value you have in different combinations. Now let us see the reports. I want project wise. So I have project wise, gross, discount, net. Project type wise, SBU wise, whatever the possible combinations. Then we have a summary list. That means the entire data that is pumped into the application. You will also notice, though it is a demo, we have not pumped in some 100, 200 records. We have pumped a fairly large number of records for analytical purpose, and that is how the speed is being chosen. And you just want a plain list. You also have a plain list. You can simply copy this, and maybe you can take an Excel and then simply paste it on that. Say for example, I'll take this Excel and I have a new blank Excel, and I can simply paste this over there. So let me just demonstrate that, and you will see the data got pasted into the thing. Now let's go further. Okay, now that the data is complete, I have 2 great reports here which I will demonstrate little later. Now the grouping report, since there are 6 groups we have given, so it's giving all possible combinations of project wise, business type wise, project wise country, project wise SBU, project wise branch, project wise document, and all possible combination of reports. Now you have SBU wise, now you have branch wise. So these reports have just got prepared on the spot. Now let's see the speciality of the reports, what I meant by choose reports. After giving all these reports, still man wants many things. I have the project, and I want the sum of the gross value, and I want, maybe I will say, the discount average, or maybe I want the sum in, maybe I will say in thousands. So you will see in thousands the data has come, and I want the net value, what is the maximum net value that has come. So you will see it's unlimited combinations. Basically I have project wise. Let me just, for reference, let me take sum of this, and I will not select anything for here. So I have project wise. So let me just say country wise, SBU wise, and then project wise, or maybe project type wise. So you will see country first, that is India. In this you have the SBU, in this you have the project, the values. Now you can just try to go for drill down. You will see how it is absolutely different. What is that we have selected first is the country. So you have the country, just click over it. You have the project, SBU. You will see a lot of SBUs coming up here. You click on any of the SBU, you get the further drill down of the things. It's believe me, in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7 means the amount of combinations you have is as high as maybe around 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, leaving the values aside. So this way you are able to, I just want, say for example, I want to know how my company is performing project type wise. So this is how it is. Now I want to go in the project type wise each country how it is doing. So in the food processing I am doing only in Malaysia, whereas in logistics I am in India and Singapore, or any combination for that matter. Suppose I just want my country wise, I wanted my branch wise figures. So in India I have all under India country, I have all these countries reporting to me, and I have the details, the order booked from different places. So with this combination you are able to get a very extensive data. Okay, let me just try to work it out. The data, the view graphics, that means branch wise I just took this, and you are able to get all the branches and also the histogram simultaneously. Or maybe I will say I want just a country wise graph. I have the country wise, I can see which country is doing how. And so this is a very extensive one. And now we have another feature called the matrix reports. So in this, suppose I just want country wise, maybe I will say I want project SBU wise projects, I want country wise in the horizontally. So that means here there will be SBU wise and their countries will be coming like this. Let me see how it looks. I said preview. Now you see, I said first SBU wise. Within the SBU I got projects, different projects that are being done here, and you will notice the data is coming country wise. Now the same thing, suppose I just wanted I will say major is equal to minor. So I got it country wise, the SBU wise. Suppose I want to swap, you can just see, now I got countries over here and the type of projects over here. Now at the end of it, suppose I just say within the country I want maybe branch wise, I just ask for it, and still I can say I want only India and I want Saudi, okay, who are into civil works and maybe documentation. Only this much I want. I can just say okay, give me the results. Now you will see I have civil works and documentation only, and I have countries India and Saudi only. Now once having done this, I will say I only want gross value. I don't want too many values. That means the gross, discount, net are coming. I only want gross value. I just ask for the gross value, and that's it. And now I say I want discount also. You get the discount and the net value also. Now you will notice these are the three fields we have given. Maybe if you give 4, 5, 6, they will be appearing here. If you give more groupings, they will be appearing over here. Now that it is all up and running, you just say okay, my report is final, and here it is. You just take it and paste it into any standard Excel. So basically you have, let me review everything. You have the pie charts, you have the histograms, you have different possible combinational reports, and you have plain reports, and you have the all combinational value reports, you have choose reports, you have matrix reports, all in a matter of an Excel which was uploaded with a data to the extent of maybe around some, I think maybe for sample I have taken something like, I don't know how much I took, it was about some 3000 records if I am right. Let me just check it up. Yeah, it was around 2000 records. So you will notice it is up and running and is perfect in all respects. So thank you very much. So let's see how we can take it into other dashboards. Thank you. Bye.